In this video, I am going to show you how to add logo to Wix website header. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to change this text logo with our own image logo. To do this, at first we need to visit Wix website editor and here we will see the text logo. So at first we are going to remove it. So our text logo is now deleted and now we are going to add our own image logo here. So to do this, we are going to click on this plus icon. After that, we are going to select image from here and then click on upload images. Now click on upload from computer and now we are going to select our logo image. It's better to add your logo in the SVG format because SVG format is the highest quality format. So as you can see that our logo is now uploaded and now we are going to click on add to page. So our logo is now added to our page and now we are going to drag it to the header. And now we are going to increase the size of our logo a little bit. And as you can see that our new logo is added and now we are going to publish our website. So we have successfully added our logo to our Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.